So the third and final way you could tap your keg, and in my opinion, the best way, is to use a cooler like the one we have right here. Of course, no one's going to have a 6-head cooler in their house unless they have a killer man cave, but many times you'll have a single or dual faucet type kegerator in your house, so it'll be exactly the same process, but maybe on a little bit smaller scale. So here you have the same exact coupler we used in number 2, where it's the Sankey coupler with the gas line and the beer line. So you hook it up exactly the same way. The only major difference between this are 2 things. One is that you have the refrigerator to keep your beer cold all the time, and you'll have another gas bottle inside the refrigerator or on the outside. In this case, we have a lot of CO2 going all around the brewery, so we just tapped into our normal CO2 line to push it here, so you don't need the 5-pound bottle. The other difference is you actually have a faucet. So check out some of my other videos on how to pour the beer, but one quick tip on that is making sure you always open the faucet fully on each time, not partially, because if you partially open it, you'll get more foam. A couple pointers on the temperature and pressure. So 36 degrees is the magic number. That's where you want to set your keg box to at home or your kegerator. And the pressure that you apply to the keg is usually around enough to push the beer 5 feet, because you have 5 feet of this vinyl tubing coming from the keg out to your faucet, and that should be around 11 to 12 pounds. So considering where most people carbonate their beer, the temperature, and the style of box that you have in your house, a good rule of thumb is 11 to 12 psi on your pressure gauge and 36 degrees Fahrenheit on your temperature. Hi, I'm Joe Vogelbacher from Sugar Creek Brewery in Charlotte, North Carolina, and the 19th Master Cicerone in the world. Please like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos, and if you have future ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Cheers.